Doug here at Dhamma, Delaware, with a construction update on our Building 3 renovation project, where we're installing 29 single student rooms with private bathrooms and 22 meditation cells. Today is April 19th. As you can see here, we've completed most of the work on the handicap ramp at this end of the building. What we still have left to do is the railings, and then we'll be finished with that part of the project. Down there in the corner of the building, you can see two pallets that have hot water heaters in them. Those were delivered last week. They each weigh about 500 pounds. So we're waiting for some manpower to show up that will be able to get those into the building and into the room where we're going to place them. If we go on inside, everything pretty much looks as it has for a while now. It's all the rough-in mechanical work that's being done. At the other end of the building, most of the plumbing work is done, and up here we're still working on the rough-in plumbing. Here you see all the shower bases have been installed in each bathroom, and the supply lines have been run for each of the fixtures in here, and they're still working on the drain side of things to be able to complete that work. We're also running the supply lines up in the attic for the hot and cold water, so that's underway. We've just gotten an HVAC contractor selected, and so we're working on the permits for that part of the project, and we'll get started with the HVAC once those permits are granted. Yeah, so that's about all that's going on here right now. Things are still pretty well under control and looking good. So come on out and see us and take a look at the actual project. That's all from here. You all take care.